Good morning, dear students. We are doing the table tag and how to print the data in the form of the rows and columns. Yesterday I shown you, and here one more table is given, but a little bit it is different. How it is different? The table I shown you yesterday. In that table, the border was not there, but here in this table you are looking border is here. So firstly, how you can print the border in the table? If you want to print the border in the table, for that one attribute is here of the table tag, that is border attribute. You can specify the border of the table by using the border attribute. This attribute will be defined in the table tag, and what you will write, you will write border equal 5 6 7, whatever you want to give the value, and 5 6 7 is the thickness of the border, how much thick you want to print the border. And even you can define the color of the border also. For defining the color, one more attribute is here of the table tag, border color. Border color equal red, green, whatever the color you want to give of the border, you can define. If you don't give the color of the border, in that case the by default color of the border will come gray. I am showing you example. Here in this example it is shown table border equal 3. Till now I have just told you about the border equal 3. Now coming on the next attribute of the table tag, that is bg color attribute of the table tag. Dear students, as we can define the background color of the web page with the bg color attribute of the body tag, in the same way the bg color attribute can also be used in the table tag also. If you use the bg color attribute in the table tag, in that case the background color of the table will be changed. And one more thing, dear students, have you remembered that I told you about the background attribute of the body tag? The background attribute of the body tag is used to give the background of the web page. Means if you want to give the image at the background of the web page, in that case you can use the background attribute for defining the image at the background of the web page. Here the same thing, means the background attribute can also be used in the table tag also. If we write the background attribute in the table tag, then at the background of the table the specified picture will come. Next one attribute, align attribute. Dear students, whatever you are writing in the table, that data by default print at the left hand side of the table, and you can align this data to right side or the center by using one attribute of the table tag, that is the align. have a look under the line. In the example it is given table border equal 3 for defining the thickness of the border. After that, border color equal purple, you can define the color of the border I told you. And bg color equal white, means the background color of the table will come white. And align equal center, means whatever the text you will write in the table, it will be printed at the center of the cell. So dear students, if you face any kind of the problem, without feeling hesitation, you can contact me. Thank you.